So that's the RC25. It does not have the G at the end, okay, and it does not have an infrared filter. And I bought this one online. It's far worse than that one which I broke off from I'm not sure which lens. It was a round cam lens, but although it's broken, it filters out infrared much better than the one that I bought separately. With this one the image is still pretty pink, that one is pretty okay. So I will glue this one there, some rubbery glue. So that tiny opening in the center is smaller than the broken lens, and thus it's covering it. I just applied the glue in 3 points and it should hold it.